You can rest assured of your child's excellent performance when you register your child with Janan Schools, Bombo Karule Campus and Kabalagala. Due to their firm educational background, we have the best facilities in both arts and sciences, fully updated to the latest sector standards, right from Senior 1 to Senior 6, in an environment that offers a chance to apply practical skills in all fields. That include a computer lab, introducing our students to the tech world, a well-organized science laboratory, a fully stocked library with all the essential books a student may need, a model farm to equip students with all the basic knowledge in agriculture, plus extra vocational skills. We promote co-curricular activities in sports like badminton, table tennis, basketball, volleyball, chess, and many more other activities. Register your child today at both campuses in Bombo Kalule and Kabalagala campus. For more information, contact us on the numbers below.
FDC ekiwayi kye Najjanankumbi kyanukudde eky'e Katonga ku ky'okwekutulako bakole ekyabwe nga bano bagamba nti ensonga eno tebaginaako buzibu. Wiiki ewedde bana FDC ekiwayi ky'e Katonga kyatula mu lukiiko era akolanga pulezidenti waakyo Elias Lukwago n'ategeeza bwe baali bateekateeka okukola ekibiina ekirala bano kye bagamba nti tebakinaako buzibu.
So how much time do you need to organize at that level all those interactions we need? How much time do you need so that we come here after we have done all those rounds across the entire country and we have consulted our branches elsewhere outside the country, we come to pronounce ourselves on any of those three options, the five options. I've had the sixth one now. We pronounce ourselves once and for all without anyone claiming that they have been left behind.
Ab'e Najjanankumbi wabula balabudde ab'e Katonga okulekerawo okubavuma ne babawa amagezi okwabulira ekibiina mu mirembe nti w'ova toyombye w'otera okudda.
And you think of starting another party when you are the president? It means by confirmatory test you are telling the world that I'm not in charge anymore, which is the fact. They have been denying it. Some of us who are scientists, is a test you do.
Kikonyogo wasekeredde Elias Lukwago agamba tasaanye kubayita bo bakyewaŋŋamya ng'ate be baatandikawo ekibiina kino.
You have been asking questions. What are you talking about, Katonga? They have already told you want to start another party. If you are in charge of the party and you are the owner, can you tell the world I'm going to start another party? It means now you are out, and you know you are out. You are not in the party. That's why you want to start something else. But even if you want to start another party, be civilized like a Genomuntu. Be civilized. Tell the party, you people, there are some irreconcilable differences. You go your way, let me go mine. I will not destroy you, don't destroy me. That's why you have never had FDC chasing after Genomuntu trying to destroy ANT. Have you ever heard us talk about? Agreed, he goes his way. Since it is an opposition party, no problem.